If you caught my report from last week recapping some of the highlights from the market through September, you heard that it was a big month in many markets. It's Friday, October 23rd, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. October started off a bit slow for buyer activity, but we are seeing activity ticking up again. Autumn may prove to be a good season for area real estate as more inventory appears to be coming on and buyers are out looking. Average days on the market is down to 28 days before homes went under contract in this past week. There are 897 homes coming soon, priced between $39,500 in Baltimore's Lexington area to Bethesda's Burning Tree Manor for $2,975,000. 2007 went active with a Baltimore City row house shell for $5,000 to Potomac's Falconhurst for $4,250,000. 888 homes went under contract in a median 11 days, from a $10,000 property in Cumberland to an Annapolis property listed for $2,795,000. 1,522 moved to pending since last week. Baltimore City's Langston Hughes area for $5,000 to Chevy Chase listed at $2,850,000. Closings were down this past week to 1,836 units, priced from $7,250 in Cumberland to an Eastern Shore home in Y Mills for $2,800,000. Do you have questions about the market or your specific situation? Give me a call at 443-222-0857 because I want you to have all the information you need to make great decisions. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. That's it for Friday, October 23rd, 2020. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be here next Friday with what you need to know about the Maryland real estate market.